Next topic is movement along the demand curve. So I'm writing movement along the demand curve. This is also known as change in quantity demanded. Change in quantity demanded. Movement along the demand curve, change in quantity demanded. Now this takes place due to change in the price of given good. Change in the price of given good. Price changes of given commodity. Other factors are constant. Other factors are constant. And you people know about other factors. Other factors are price of related goods, taste preferences, income, expectation of change in the price in future. So only price changes, other factors are constant. Okay? And what takes place over here? There is movement along the demand curve, which is known as change in quantity demanded. Now this is of two types, the movement. It is downward movement and upward movement. And upward movement. Right? Now let us do it in the form of diagram. I am taking one example, then I will make diagram. If I say price and here there is quantity demanded. Okay? Now there is downward movement and there is upward movement. Downward movement takes place when there is increase in quantity demanded. I'll write over here. And upward movement takes place when there is decrease in quantity demanded. Now here there will be increase in quantity demanded. If I say price was here downward movement, increase we need to show. If price is 5, quantity demanded is 1 or 10 I am writing. Price reduced to 1 and quantity demanded increased to 50. Price reduces, quantity demanded increases. Right? So now let us do it in the form of diagram. On x-axis we will take quantity demanded and on y-axis we will take price. I am writing here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and here I am writing 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Right? Now I will make a demand curve. When price was 5, quantity demanded was 10 units. So I am going to join these. Price reduced to 1, quantity demanded increased to 50. Join these 2 points. This is demand curve, DD is demand curve, right? Now here there is what kind of movement? You can see here, take it as A point, take it as this point as B point. Okay? When price was 5, quantity demanded was 10 units. Price fall किया, demand बढ़ गई. Demand बढ़ी है ना? Here there is downward movement from A point to B point. Right? And here there is increase in quantity demanded. So this situation is also known as increase in quantity demanded. This is also known as expansion of demand. Expansion of demand. These are the other names of the same situation. There is downward movement along the demand curve, increase in quantity demanded, or there is expansion of demand. It can be also called as extension of demand, right? So what you need to do, you need to write its definition that it takes place due to change in the price. Other factors remain constant. Then you need to make a small table where you will show reduction in price and increase in quantity demanded. Then you will make diagram, you will explain the diagram, and this situation is also known as increase in quantity demanded and expansion of demand or extension of demand. Now let us learn about upward movement. Upward movement, now it takes place when price it increases and quantity demanded it falls. Here there is increase in the price and fall in quantity demanded. Reverse situation, right? Now let us show this with the help of diagram. On x-axis we will take quantity demanded and on y-axis we will take price. Say here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and here 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Right? When price was 1, quantity demanded was 50 units. Price increased to 5, quantity demanded reduced to 10 units. Now join these points. आपने अच्छे से बनानी है, proper with pencil and scale. This is demand curve. Now here there is upward movement along the demand curve from C point to D point. If I say from C to D, there is upward movement along the demand curve. Now this is due to increase in the price. So this situation is known as, यहाँ पे quantity demanded हमारी कम हो गई ना, this is known as decrease in quantity demanded, and this is also known as contraction of demand. Contraction of demand. Upward movement, decrease in quantity demanded, or contraction of demand. So similarly, you will do its definition, that it takes place due to rise in the price. Other factors are constant. You have to mention over here that other factors are constant. Right? Then you will make table and you will make diagram, explanation of diagram and the other names I have written. So this is about movement along the demand curve.